Hey grade 2, today we're going to be doing potion making, otherwise known as chemical changes. Last week we talked about physical changes. That's when the physical properties of an object change, but no new substance is formed. In chemical changes, when two things come together, a chemical change takes place. That is, a new substance is formed.
Chemical changes take place all around us, from fruit ripening on trees to digesting our food.
There's a few signs of a chemical change. 1, there's an unexpected color change.
When you pour cabbage juice into different liquids.
2, there's a change in temperature.
Like when you shake a hand warmer.
3, a gas is created.
Gases help baked goods rise.
4, it's irreversible.
After I bake the cookies, I'll never get the sugar, flour, or eggs back again.
A new substance is formed.
When you burn wood or paper, that wood or paper is transformed into a new substance, ash. Like with baking, this cannot be undone. Also, the wood changes color and releases a gas and produces an odor.
You're never going to get that paper back. When you bake that cake, you're never going to get that flour and sugar and water back. Those are all chemical changes. Now you're going to have a chance to try a chemistry experiment at home. Before you get started, we need to make sure that we're being safe. So talk to your family about this experiment. Show them the material list and talk about what materials are safe for you to use and which ones you can't use. Then you want to make sure that you're safe. I've put on my glasses. If you have glasses at home, that's what we always wear in science, and I've made sure that my hair is up. And then I want to make sure that I have a clean working space. You can use a tray or you can use a baking sheet. That will keep your experiment contained. I've also collected some small jars and an ice cube tray, or a muffin container works really well. Teaspoon, that's a smaller spoon. I've collected some baking soda and I've put it into a small container, and then I've collected some materials from around my house. Things like vinegar, lemon juice, some hand soap or shampoo, some other materials like cleanser or body lotion, water, some pop or tonic water, milk, and any other liquids that you have around your house. And that's why we need to talk to our family, because we need to find out what liquids are safe to use and which ones we shouldn't use. Finally, I have some food coloring, and this can be extra special when you're feeling like a mad scientist. Now we're about to get started. I'm going to put each of my liquids into a different cup. And then I'm going to keep my baking soda separate so that I can add it to each of these cups to see if there will be a chemical reaction or not. So while we're doing this experiment, we are thinking about, will a chemical change occur? So what are the signs of a chemical change? The best way that we're going to know if there's a chemical change is if a gas has been formed. And for that, we're looking for bubbles. I'm going to try my first experiment. And I'm going to take a teaspoon of baking soda and I am going to put it in the vinegar. Yep, I had to smell it. It's the vinegar. You can label it if that helps. And I'm going to put it in. Whoa, I see bubbles. It's exploding. A gas has definitely formed. Now I can try the water. What will happen when I put baking soda in the water? No gas has formed. I'm going to try one more time. No gas is formed. It just sits at the bottom.
After you have tested all your substances to see if baking soda reacts to them, you can have fun making your own potions.